breaking down caste discrimination. Let's talk about it. Have you ever wondered why society makes distinctions based on caste? In ancient times, society classified people into different groups based on their work and skills. They believed this classification helped organize society, assigning roles like scholar, warriors, merchants, and workers. According to ancient scriptures like the Bhagavad Gita, these groups were created based on people's nature, tendency, and abilities. But let's fast forward. Science tells us that our body are all the same. We sweat, bleed, and feel the same things. However, over time, people started using these groups to discriminate, forgetting that we are all fundamentally equal. The Rig Veda remind us that there is no inherent superiority or inferiority among us. While we are all in this together, striving for common goals, discrimination based on caste does not make sense. It only creates unnecessary division. As Raidas wisely said, devotion matter more than questionaries someone caste. So, let's break these barriers, focus on kindness, and value people for who they are rather than where they come from. Because, in the end, it's our action and virtues that truly define us. Let's stand together, unite as one.